Welcome to Lolitasville.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Lolita here in Lolitasville. So guys, this content is quite an emergency one. I'm attending an event today. I happen to be attending an event today. It's happening here at Radisson Blue Ikeja, and it's a social media hangout. Now, based on what I do and my job as a media person, so I got an invite to this event, and I thought so much about it that I should bring you guys along with me. I had already entered the hall, I've signed in, but I had to step out to do this quick intro to take you guys along with me, basically, because I noticed that there are a whole lot of like highlights. Like, there's something I saw very amazing. I'm going to show you guys. If you stick around and watch this video to the end, I'm going to give you the biggest highlight of this event. Like, now someone jokingly said that media people are gossipers and we're always gossiping, but this is not gossip. This is entertainment at its best. See, even with all the shenanigans happening in this part of the world, we got to live our best life. So after service, I headed down here. Let me show you the band. I don't know if you can see it, if it's focused. Focus. Yeah, so that's the band I got when I got here, and every other person inside there got it as well. I'm going to also give you outfit of the day, even though I didn't plan to vlog. So this is just my intro. Come along with me. Check out my outfit of the day, guys. Yes, guys, the highlight of this event, as I mentioned earlier, the spectacular Wow Booth Planet 360. This is the first of its kind here in our very own Naija. Yes, so now, guys, this event was well attended by celebrities and the creme de la creme of the media industry, and they just couldn't miss out on creating a memorable experience here. Family members, next up, you guys would see what the output usually looks like.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stand on it. In a private plane, I land on it. Lily who then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on me. Show them Gangnam style, put the gang on them. Twist my fingers up and bang on them. Lily who. Different type of evil available, and any one of them can kill you. At any time, anything can happen. No, any one of us could have been pop smoke. We must go and the most high colors. So I'm paranoid, borderline bipolar. Wear my vest and clean my corner. I ain't going out, brother. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stand on it.
When I thank God, I got the lead. Say God no ungodly. Oluwa na ain't comforting me. When these people they come body me. Man, I thank God I got the lead. Say God no ungodly. Oluwa na ain't comforting me. When these people they come body me. It's why I die sometimes. A little Henny and ice. Make a fitty cool my mind.
Now, while Booth doesn't just have this Planet 360 for events, they have other booths available, which include the Cleopatra and the Danfo and likes of it.
Okay, let's talk and think events. Aside the yummy item 7, a successful event must be fun. It surely must be memorable. At the Wow booth, our 6 photo video booths are designed exclusively to deliver all the fun, excitement, and above all, the experience. Discover what makes us wow. Discover a memorable event.
So guys, well, you can tell I enjoyed myself from the smiles on my face. Damn, that was an experience.
Fino on your highway. Here is the highway. Omaka highway. Shalom na highway. Owam na highway.
All the contact details and everything you need to know about Wow Booth will be in my description box below. Be sure to check them out. Guys, be sure to book a booth today for your next event and add the excitement and adventure that your audience will never forget. This is an experience of a lifetime. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Welcome to Lolitasville.